kura me ani a.
Okay.
Because foreign strikers mo ba twa mo keka.
Mo kwala.
Sanko na bi ba me hyase ho. Ya hyase wo de mi di mani hu ye Mola Sanji.
Okay.
Ni hwe Alu Drago. From Burkina Faso. Ni hwe Sonny Yakuba.
Yes.
Kobeta mobile. Ni hwe Ahmed Simbetule. Okoba 2 times. Second season for Bobo Crop so obaje goalkeeper.
Yes.
So what I say. Then hwe no. Na yem Franco Emela. Then hwe Mfegi.
Hwe Mukwala.
Then hwe Mukwala.
Nti ugidi se Kotoko standard na foreign strikers.
Foreign strikers.
Oh, okay.
Mean disgrace.
Local strikers.
No. Mean disgrace o mo.
Ba Kotoko fa foreign strikers eboa ye Kotoko. Apa life and this 72 Jan no na. Yes, so the last best 15 years, every 2010 eba na ye hwe Ghanaian strikers are omatimi aba Asante Kotoko any foreign strikers na ye wi as Prince my justice to it ntino Alesamwa Makwekwe yes obebo Asante Kotoko and obeji gokin and so ewo Asante Kotoko Seydou Bansi and so ebebo Asante Kotoko Nathaniel Asamoah Yaya Muhammad Prince Bafo Dauda Muhammad and afen so Abrantia ye friend Benjamin Echampo and ase Ben Echampo Fatao Safiu Osman Bashiru Abbas Muhammad and afen so Augustine Okra and Solomon Safu Taylor omu nyina Ghanaian players omu strikers omu abebo Asante Kotoko foreign strikers in so ebi Ahmed Toure and afen so Nabi Keita Sonny Yakuba George Abege Georges Infege and Frank Mbela Etuga we mun so nyina strikers omu foreign based players the last best 15 years ye omu so enya akwanya abo Asante Kotoko nti wo ensema apa life editu just Kotoko standard no anytime bia on befa foreign strikers abia no ebo omu team na wo hwe de Sonny Yakuba ene Frank Mbela Etuga mo ebeye no amature mu dia na chese ono nso ewo point ye pan no ensema ye boy chire enso etimi ede ama ewo ha sei na ye to ensem ne so ade se golden cakes omo nso SEO ede ensem kakra enso etimi atuja about ade se Ghana Premier League no ene MTN FA Cup na omo qualify no na eno ene yebu se openi se sisia no se ekoba se Asante Kotoko mu ne omo na ekobo finance na mubetimi asha Asante Kotoko mu hye omo ese mukobo Africa na edi kan kra no mu ne Atram division no motivation na mo de ma boys na efri hifa
from the laying of game because we played them in the last second round no it's 2-1 even that game no we didn't play as we play normally now yesterday now and how they are going to defend us and then we saw that we were no more high pressure than them so we went all out press them and we got the goals and to share goals and share the no here was some pressure.
Mr. Epson na this 72 Jan no buza say Africa no muji FA Cup na mo you ready say mo beko
you have to go to Africa and then Africa so back on so your fans so yeah ready all those things so you share ready be my
enti ye be head ye ready be ya ma golden kings e ko ba say omu etimi agi MTN FA Cup na na me buza mba say we no Eradi asem se waje ne yese kobo Africa Confederation no eno age se Eradi be ye bibia na enti eno de ye be jama ye ne yetiefo no mo nso atoase o afri ho na ade se Lazio oye ex player Edma House of Folk wabo aduana abo Ashanti Gold enanu yi ono na organizing supporters bia omubo remu o House of Folk secretariat omukọ president omukọ prevente MD enso efri no officer omuma ne nkoye adwuma no na edi kan no ode nsem kakra atudwa yentie no
ema kwan ema ne ekopie mu ewede police station ho supporters front akesefo no si form enne supporters front akesefo no omu si form enne for all this while na me nim se impinifo ebe dikesi we echi enne supporters amama hu say ye supporters ye old supporters front no mama me hu say saade bia me kasa omuti na me catch the house fancy nyina say obi anka na koma ntu ne yem obi anya den enka na koma ntu ne yem di ehwehwe firi mu ho an say chapters ni na mom yenka ye ho bom this time samre na ani emre na ani otwedi ampon kwame ema kwan ema ne ekopie mu ewede
enti eno enso eye Lazio ene de sansem ne tudwa na opani a ye friend de Lali anku adiama ono ene ye MD ede ma haso folk ene omukọ preventing say omo ma ne nya adwuma on office because obaye no one ontimi protect Togwe ye ohene kese ewo omanwe mu enso de bia wama ho kwan ema enkofo bi ekeka nsem efa Togwe hu a enye papa o say haso folk kra nimo wa omo de do omo park na no allegation bako de bi omo ko han mowa baby a standard na dru no ni kwase aso folk enso eko han mowa no de akodom enti odi piti odi release ababontin yes ni nsem no eno odi agu krata so abeto abontin no ma ogidi se MD ni baye ontimi nyeye promises odi baye se obetimi secure sponsorship e de ama aso folk nyina ontimi nye enti on ne supporters ni bi gidi se ebraso se opani no odi na adwuma to as a managing director Edema has of folk na crab no and so etimi ekonanim ne eno ensema abrantia ye friend Lazio and so ede tudwa sabre de official complaint akoso ama police for invite abrantia nti de be de we a sansem no and so ebetimi akoso na ye remo Ministry of Sports and Recreation omo de krata ababonten a omo bo Ghana 4x1 relay team no and so abaso say omotimia a qualify for World Athletics Championship and also ebaso Tokyo no omo so etimia a qualify and omo and so ebo mabaso kama and so na head coach edema eyade say Black Queens Kimla ono so eden sem kakra etimi atuja ede afa omo preparation eguso ekoso ewo pram.
Yeah, we have been testing around with a lot of players, and now we need to get closer to the final pieces. The final piece, when it comes to a tactical aspect, will be the final third, how to connect with the wingers and the number 9s, and that's maybe the most important part, to create more chances and score more goals, and that's necessary, of course, to win games. So that's the final part that we will work with in the next camp. And like I said, to get closer and closer to something really good, and I'm sure that we will be ready in Morocco in the summer.
Head coach Edema Black Queens Kimla and this answer and so tuja on preparation egusua ekoso ewo pram no and wamaya updates kama and so on mintino powers ebreno ntino media efisem no ebesi asere be ya abedwafo benya kwan ewura nsanim na ohwe strikers bi amebobom din ambesimba ture mu no more mabe no kromia even Sonyi Yakuba yes Mbela and last one here Mokwala ohwe no more be ye ne sisi strikers na
okay
o gidi say
some of the dingra so ba dingra
yes
so no strike
yes and Abege George Abege
dingra na dey
George Abege
dingra na
say infege Cameroonian
but boss dingra no me ko he no kotoko training ground total score 2-3 boss I was there.
Okay, so on one more official game Makotoko.
Tiene Orlando, first of all, it is important to understand that player are eligible for club after he's gone through the registration processes. Please, it's very important. You better the player be about trials, players score trials until on year Kotoko player
okay.
Trials. He was not signed by Kotoko on both official games. So please, you must be fair to the club.
Boss men can't say Kotoko sign no. Me say Obakroma me hu.
Any news. Winning players are Ghana players or more trials. So I have for options of trials here, but and to many unfair.
Yeah, better as a shoe no sure the board. Hey, drop you bank.
Obi kai brasha sia okay. E ono so ne de no.
What's on the name have no chance you?
There be no or chance be obi or chance 30 years. Mo national goalkeeper.
What's no Abubo bi answer the Bokrumo.
Last goalkeeper no. I feel no sebi ball no I feel no zo bo. So he's been around pa. Anami wa. Okay. Until bia ni mra nyame peso peja no pa. Enye ne ani paka. Until that's why we are men papa who are 54 years. Yeah. Strange or bar. Yes, but some and your miss uncle.
They may value in a craft and about the best.
Again, Nipa drain in here.
But powers now opeso chese kotokofa department no for goalkeeping, defensive midfield near attacker. Kotokofa foreign strikers are. It's a fact. You know, person can.
No, it's a fact. There's no dispute about it.
Jabin Bank eton safro se bra be save with us bra for sika betu ye sika krabia o. E sounds a Ghana ha nyina ye nim se Jabin Bank de a reliable and trusted. A banker would no mudija ubi be a quay. Usika sem any bibia. But to say the service be a banana product and service by Kwaba a Obapa loan scheme. And no a Kwan waswa. Ye bo ye nuanum madja default through ye bo mobusia. Now the tennis say ye diano oba your interest ye interest rate no ewo form pa enu echi no unhia se obe deposit cash bi into your account ansa no wenye sika anansa no ya mo loan unhia any commitment fee unhia guarantor but eno no terms and conditions apply. Drabi Rural Bank yenimu fitete omuye adwuma say 0271409340 0271409340 Ejoso Bonre Drabe Etimetim Onwe Roman Hill Magazine Sipetimpum Fumeswa any adishima nyina no yenkrabata ne bi ho a obetumi ene yedin sawoso Yash toothpaste eno any apostle papa ewe drama so se obi a editwe ne sen mesraw used to be Yash toothpaste ene ne brush no pebi na yusu na muaw na wo si echi nkonkone na nyinara enwa mfemfiri ho wani mbeye hwam na wo si aye fa Yash toothpaste eno NSC ewo drama so enkasa wo toothpaste biara keke na mum kasa Yash toothpaste no eno bi ena ope wo yusu a wankasa obedi nwa danse Sir Prince.
Right now, the big question here, I no be any say Enra, the under 20, a bit me qualify to the World Cup yet again, because that belief and that hope was there. Looking at how the blast young boys no most start a competition. No, you see, it started with a draw. Emma Bettina Fiaka said the performance wasn't that good. But we saw some improvement along the line and games or more boy, you saw more improve a lot. And we have that hope, firm conviction, say the game against Egypt, because Egypt naturally, among the senior national team and more club size na ball more DB. Naturally, when you talk about undersize, the junior size now, I am not Egypt and share any hobby breed. And today him say, we have Ghana and so the records and everything now you work. When it comes to the youthful air side now, it bet me I qualify, especially under air affair. Our boys no bomb home dimbi no. But Enra, so a game this chassis and Ghana were overwhelmed. Egypt came with a specific strategy. See a share game last year. 10 minutes, 20 minutes. As you try see a bit putting Ghana on that total pressure. And I don't think affair and the boys no are aware of this thing. Until 20 minutes time. Now Ghana were overwhelmed. It took Ghana some time and Sana or more get back into the game on Betika. And even during the game, I felt that Ghana had a clear chance and Kesa Ghana team share even an extra goal. It made the air Ghana qualify. But as we all know, or me young chaps, and most of the times they are not mentioned movie because of how progression is or because that kind of telepathy, and she done be even it is under this man of fair and the ones wet me and my boys now come together or mama this flamboyant football. You get the whole point. And it may not me and she done yemen won't be brave, but I had that firm conviction before say game never shas here. Now, Powers, the question everyone is asking here, and they say, what is the real problem? Ghana football now, from the senior national team.
National teams now
from national
ABC,
team down to the
club
bottom.
Football.
Down to the bottom. We Omonfa went into my under 24. The last time I qualified to the World Cup, it was 2015. Omonfa
2015.
Round of 16.
10 years.
Yes, round of 16. Any free move. 2017 and qualify, 2019 and qualify, 2021 they don't say COVID-19, yes, and then 2023 and some qualify. Now 2025 and some qualify, and you be pile up as Aba become be. We all know say anytime Ghana in recent times now near like you were in that glory days no say your national team, senior national team be 2 year. It takes the junior sides are more progressive through the ranks and about be running to the senior national team and no met me work perfectly together at me my that perfect performance now in was senior national team no. Let's go back. Yemu says under 17. When was the last time Ghana team qualified to the World Cup? A big question that we should be asking ourselves. Over 20 years ago, Ecuador 1985, and at the Black Stars of and I said under 17 of Ghana, Ekoje, the Black Stars or Mokoje. Onfa images ni binto to my near shadi. You see, Paris, or Mokoje, near Musi, say, then time, I've forgotten the name. Is it Samade, right? Samade, very good. Samade was the man who lead the team. Very good. Eddie Omokoje. And even during that time, no, once an time na piano on yes starter. But that time, no, not always. Only impact in games are Ghana able. And you must say, since then, no, Omutimi Koyes are air wonders, no, and yet no one players no more progress under 20 Saturday Ramu the senior national team. You must say, as a fast forward from under 17 side, no, Stephen Appiah one progressive to the under 20. One some progressive to the senior national team. Time I qualify for your World Cup now, you acquire that wonders, no. Now Stephen Appiah, no, you're part of the senior national team. On the night, the main leader leading the team. Jomen some yemu say ho the what yemu some he fa na eja omu free. It was through a process. Poets say progression but there is no way. I'll be why you say oh compete better. And images no there to so no. When 1995 as a mo 95 it count the years ababetum up to now.
Ecuador 95. 95 yes, they say 30 years. I say you can simple be 30 years down the line. 95 Ghana were champions of the world, and even in this final no, I think on board no, I've forgotten it was very good Ecuador. It was a certain make us a monumental stadium. Yeah, Guayaquil or something. I've forgotten it. Very good. I don't know Mokobo this tournament, a final no course, and Ghana were crowned as the champion. Fast forward. You must say even qualification kwana is saying their mind. But the problem no, power say you the better problem na same bebre, but you must say solutions na dey and believe you me, metnafia can bebre any single time be a meka ho asem. Nobody can tell me say the people leading us at the helm of affairs, they don't know the problems and the solutions. They know it perfectly well. Morocco for, Tunisia for, Egypt for, or more progressive bebre na e so nko na omoye. They make sure they invest in the youthful exercise. No more build the academies. Almost see proper air factories and I say proper air avenues for the younger chaps now. And also they invest in their local leagues. Ghana anytime be a team be a local boys no and they dominate. But now they say nya call up asema outside need can join first and son about local. So for me I think say this thing will continue to be there if we do not decide say best sign Ghana will always be Ghana and the African Brazilians no that kind of airtight na no it wasn't derived from the European style of play yankasa and the African style of play no if we decide say be deviate from it but what did you say they been to young free players so free league no say from it's because they know say the quality here.
Yes, you develop a league. Paris, any quality no but you need to go through a process and sana that yankopon adomachedi or the amount it's me bear fruit. You were young chaps, your man time moment.
That's a talent no by quality.
But there's no make us a proper process be a da honoma akra no talent na e dey for mama na binyina be na channel. You get the whole point. And yes, a talent in ho. You can't trust a talent no but there is no process I dey omo from. That is why they say you who is a talent be no be.
Philip
Mami go back in 2001 when Ghana na Argentina. The best player of our under 20 team na Derek Watson. The rewards na ye nyina efi so ba be Diego Maradona. The heir to Maradona's throne. Ghana.
Derek the born so the no nim bo.
The rewards na the 2001 World Cup no. Bra, na I call him primus inter pares. Yeah, like among the equals no nim boche obia. The rewards. But we really so compare career paths. We read that year, that team, Sule Muntari, Michael Essien, John Mensah, Stephen Appiah, name them. We really know career paths now. Derek and I said, all right, but I'm about top teams. And level now, I said, the rewards in the board do no. And that told 2001, so Apostle Prince Bekaya, we had one Ibrahim Razak, another talented and gifted player. Ibrahim Razak. Yakasa Boa, bra. Ibrahim Razak defined everything. And the game against Brazil, 2001 in Argentina, he was the reason that Joe Mensah shared the winning goal. Joe Mensah the winning game, you winning by 2-1, beating Brazil. But before then, no, Angola build they started omu projects. Angola team now, omu benya Fabrice Akwane Flavia Amado no, almost started in 2001. Into omu share results no. In Africa, Angola were champions. Angola share in Africa, that is in 2001, Ethiopia. Almost share by final, almost share 2-0. But group stage, yes, Angola. Bangola share. Bangola at the World Cup, no more bra. But they were not looking at the results at the World Cup. They were looking at how our Ombe progressing aftermath the World Cup. And that team now they qualify Angola till date. Angola in their history, 2001 team they qualify to the 2006 World Cup in Germany. World Cup once. It was Fabrice Akwa and Flavia Amado. Later, so Mubenya Manucho, those guys, Ebesha Angola team no. Into no juvenile football, so we are not so year. Sometimes the results doesn't matter. Countries are results and matter per 1 year Brazil, 2 year Uruguay, 3 Argentina. Argentina, our national teams, when we say Argentina boy we are singing under 17 Omunji Bida. Omunja under 17 World Cup that. But Brazil, every that is department from the under 17 and the 20, the Olympic gold medal, and the senior World Cup.
Every level be
Argentina produce super under 20. Maybe Brazil produce super under 17. Because Ronaldinho was produced 1997 in Egypt. Egypt is producing Ronaldinho. But that time, the Ghana had also free. Beye was part of the team 1997 in Egypt. But they know how you handle your juvenile football and years out. Uko Argentina, there is one man or more respected Jose Peckerman. Until date, unbelievable say he's the best juvenile football coach in history. Jose Peckerman. He brought Saviola more that year. Saviola ne Javier Alessandro Di Alessandro. Almost shared Ghana at the final by 3-0. But that time we had Ike Afrani. The late Ike Afrani. Bra, we coaches now you produce nice or somewhere how. No creba coupe. Most of these lads and they team na you most of the guys and how many no local players. But we played against an Egypt team. Egypt's boys no boy now. One player pen no boy Ali. The attacker. Ono pen no boy Ali. But Smuha, Cleopatra, Saramika, your friend saying these are clubs omo like one no pick players ni free. Metina Fiaka say so far this tournament Egypt has been abysmal, but against Ghana we saw Egypt. Egypt came in the picture and they managed the game well. On manage game ni. At a point Ghana na Bobby Bia. But then sometimes in this life possessive football becomes useless unless translated into results. Ghana Bobon and everything possession were better than Egypt. By a year, when I qualify, it is Egypt. You have the 20 World Cup, it was Chile, Ghana qualify. Semi-final in Africa, Ghana in Duho. When I just said, let's say, you go so here doing the low. Dwindling effects in the start after that, a Salas Bobo, a Bobo of 30 few hono. Say, that's at the 20 no. Some fear factor no Ephraim. He said there is no fear factor with regards to Ghana. And right against Egypt, may backline a problem. How almost set even offside trap or a problem. Backline of Ofori Makati, Entry da Costa, Aaron Essel, any my own Iman or Mensa. And run a backline a problem. In Egypt for no beginning Nangasano, they wanted early goals and they got the early goals. After say a share goals, yet say a canning in Ano, still Egypt were managing the game. They manage the game very well, thinking and omunim pass say ye penalty, yes, a lottery. But on any given day, yen to mini Egypt more.
Okay.
Ebe say yen for born to ato preko na yen ba yen to mini where so we say wo year developmental stages no wo year proper analogy into it. We be say oh my Ghana and the we chire pa o.
Me da say
Ghana we chire and we South Africa produce 2 players. A Brent friend Shaquille April and Tabangu Malangu. Bra, boys in here a more solid future.
But I say Filippo no apostle and now can be even before the game. They say I said local players now you more attention with your juvenile football no yeah thereby can be a problem. And if you go back to history, they said they are not Filippo Eshasi okay. Even Argentina 2001 you could see say the key players, you know, the likes of Suleiman Tari, those players, you know, where players are now more when you local league, you know, well, you have few are no free outside eba, and no what can be so affect your play so very much. And the same thing that you hear.
So, Prince Hassan, let me to 1999.
About your microphone.
1999, we were under 17. New Zealand. Stephen Odro was there. Ishmael Ado was there. Michael Essien, Stephen Obodai. Stephen Tete,
Antonio Bodai.
Antonio Bodai, sorry. Stephen Tete and co were there. So time I will not go into that. 2005, we also were at the World Cup. Mubarak Wakasu, David Telfa. All that. That was Coach David Duncan. So that's for the records. Now, quick one. I said, wait, there's a me here by 1 hour. Yeah, Maza. Niema na ya in the past, I did no credit. You see, Stephen Odro, Echo under 17, 1999, from Real Tamale United. Bernard Dombote was in that team from Kapua. So, when you don't have such teams, they develop young talent through their ranks. Tema Youth 2013, under 20 in Turkey. My youth, Atamala Bob Blaster, unfortunately, Francis Nani Moses Oje couldn't live up there. We have teams that produce almost a noted, say almost call round. My youth, Moses Oje, friends, I've got it from Sompa. They go around almost scouting properly. The teams themselves. And to share league, at least across board, every team or young talent be all year very good. Because talent no papa no ni nyina gungun krasi ni niama. They only need a platform. Is that what we are seeing today? And the selection no most of them because and they've showed them. How many years they are one more national team? They've shown the quality this year, but for injury. Your football no development no akofem. We need to get back to football development, the basics. Are very, very critical. Now, young fan no credit, your picky player and fan say be offer sexual, why offer him fine. It doesn't matter. It's the talent. And then also, and then I've said this and I'll say it again. Your coaches will be bringing in identifying who a talent is, your coach will be bringing and then need nimdia ni abotre na yedi titi akola no bedum pempeso no. The former coaches, they had that. They had it. When final came, Kosamade was the one in charge of final. The technical director for final. We saw the players they produced. And then your license, yeah, but baby, coaches, baby, organa. What is not about the license? What is football? A practical sport. License no translating to them. What could you krata no way juma no ye. Then football no PhD holder, be a master's degree holder, BNG, BBA. Yeah. It is very important we understand. Uji krata no we a no the this football. Sport is different from other academic occupations. Time my license saying we're doing very well. License A is good. UEFA Pro license is good. But I translate it into performance. And we have an era where coaches don't casa doors where Jumano is almost 2%. Most of our coaches. Ghana, competence is based on the result you produce when it comes to football and sports. So, a major issue that we should start addressing, and it is very important. You see, the more players qualify with national team, the more young players under 70, under 20, the more the platform to perform. Now, be quiet, almost some common on it. A basana, almost teams, papa, my develop your. And so it is very critical that we look at practical and proper coaching. And kasa. Our coaches are talking too much and they do little. Me and I get upset. Apart from pre-match, post-match, I don't have a problem. But they are talking too much and they are doing little because I'm not even seeing Omokasa translate to proper action of the players. So it's a whole national crisis that we need to. It's a mess. Me bompa is a Kofi Poman so washa see a kama or sonny soba. One thing I can say is a bad no credit obedi no credit. How they want to be funny maybe for this you want to be. And me bompa says see under 17 I afibiano. I no down no bibi enko assembling kosi. Or no the assembly besin say be a work of so the way be shimompre. Na yanya sa no credit no. Now players almost set fata no be shot under 17 BSC so afibiano ye be shot say order no yema onche wano under 20 the same thing. Oka Jose Pekama Messi and Aguero become what they are because he was or try hot chair and now almost far na see we ko try under 17 years or china you obi for ye nyesa ade no it's not right. Time I want adwuma no so ewie no saa mre no and you need to be from what is that? We need to be serious and understand. At 70, man from Bomanzo, man, wear 3 or 4 editions. What do you say? And let's see how well you do. Same, let's do to under 20. Until Desmond Koye and Koye, let's keep him there. Do you understand me? Now, if you see as from Bomanzo and making sure, say, at least the next badge, you hand over the next badge to him. The under 17 should move to under 20. What do you say? Say, a dino crowd age is not there. And you have a lot of time, and they are not there because we start the planning and preparation early. Because most of them local players. For 1 year interval is when under 17 the past, a year proper planning, 1 matches, 1 solid year. Okay, for foreign based players be almost team no. So they can't release that. But that's why the local players dominated African competition.
May I say? Apostle, I don't know, but we soon my message from the RFS office, and also is monitoring the show. But me quite to cry, even 2009 when they won the, you know, and I may go through the lives of Latif Salih for more, and they won't be playing in our league.
I'm very careful. It has always been the case. It's a Ghana youth team, juvenile team. Your African competition is dominated by local players because you see, for the local player, a rare opportunity, man. Their commitment level, only passion for the game, is different. What do you say? And then I create more opportunity for the entire World Cup now. Then they are money for Kakrabeka.
May I say, Apostle, no, Afiyama Ghana for Sumbreme, and someone who do I do come if free amanone, Eddie BBC, if ye and some the national under 20 line on A0548, Mufanchese, and no, and a Yedi Juma, and ne Anope, and non qua 0548 931 931 0548 931 931, and only a line as see a year Juma until which my friend now swab room now yet in come. First caller on the line. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir. I'm Pacha. We didn't maybe free.
I'm Solomon here.
Solo, young queen.